Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are baking something absolutely incredible. The ultimate, super moist brown sugar pound cake. Look at that perfect golden crust and that unbelievably soft, airy texture. If you've been looking for a foolproof, bakery-style cake that stays fresh and moist for days, you are in the exact right place. Seriously, one bite of this and you'll never go back to standard white sugar cakes. Let's jump right into the recipe. To start things off, grab a large mixing bowl. We're gonna crack in 4 whole eggs at room temperature. Next goes in 1 1/4 cups of packed brown sugar. The brown sugar is our secret weapon here. It adds a rich, deep caramel-like flavor and unmatched moisture. Add a quick 1/3 teaspoon of salt to balance out the sweetness. Now, grab your electric mixer and beat this mix thoroughly until the sugar completely melts and the texture becomes beautifully creamy and pale.
Once your egg and sugar mixture is nice and fluffy, it's time to bring in the moisture. Pour in 3/4 of a cup of vegetable oil or melted butter. If you want a richer taste, butter is great, but oil keeps it incredibly soft. Drop in 1 teaspoon of quality vanilla essence for that classic mouth-watering aroma. We're just going to blend this on low speed for about 30 seconds until everything is perfectly combined. Now, let's place a fine mesh strainer over the bowl for our dry ingredients. Sifting is crucial for a smooth batter. Add 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, which gives the cake a delicate crumb, 2 tablespoons of powdered milk for extra richness, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Sift it all right in. Start mixing gently on low speed so the flour doesn't fly everywhere. As it starts coming together, pour in a 1/4 cup of liquid milk to bring it to the perfect silky consistency. Give it one final quick mix until you get a smooth, ribbon-like batter.
Next up, prepare your baking molds by lining them with parchment paper. This recipe makes enough for 2 medium-sized loaf pans. Divide the batter evenly between the 2 molds. Give them a few light taps on the counter to release any trapped air bubbles. Pop them into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, that's about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for 45 minutes until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. While the cakes are baking, let's make a quick syrup. Mix 1 tablespoon of brown sugar with a 1/4 cup of water and set it aside. Look at that perfect rise! Fresh out of the oven, brush that simple sugar syrup generously over the top of the hot cakes. This locks in all that amazing moisture. Wrap them snugly with plastic wrap and let them cool down completely.